Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to get heirlooms in Apex Legends and what you need to know before grinding for one. First, heirlooms are special cosmetic items like melee weapons, banners, and intro quips that are unique to each legend. You can get them mainly through heirloom shards. The most common way to get heirloom shards is by opening Apex packs, which are these. Every pack has a small chance to give you shards, and Apex guarantees heirloom shards within 500 packs if you haven't received any yet. Another way to get heirloom shards is during collection events. If you unlock all event cosmetics, either by crafting or purchasing them, you'll instantly receive the featured heirloom for that legend. You can also earn Apex packs by leveling up, completing Battle Pass tiers, or buying packs from the store, though buying is optional. Once you get heirloom shards, go to the Mythic store by clicking Store, and then click Mythics. Choose the legend that you want, and unlock their heirloom set. So let's say Bloodhound, Crypto, or even prestige skins like Mirages. And that's it. There's no fast or easy shortcut, just luck, time, or events. And that is how to get heirlooms in Apex Legends.